Hi everyone, I wish you are safe at your surrounding and we always pray for all of us to be safe during this challenging time. I believe you are very busy and may not pay attention to Reconcile Finance Act with the bill proposed on 3 June 2021. This is Shaganadul Islam. Would like to take you tiny time so that you can tell yourself that you know the matter have been changed. Firstly, you can note that only four changes appeared from the bill to act. First one, corporate tax rate of mobile financial service. Second one for individuals, statement of asset and liability. And third one for companies, disallowances of Section 30. And fourth one is the special tax treatment, black money whitening. First of all, the corporate tax rate of mobile financial services. NBR proposed to increase the revenue of the government through increasing the corporate tax rate for bKash, Nagad, Rocket, like mobile financial service companies. Then again, NBR goes back like normal companies, that is 30% if it is not listed. If these companies want to be listed to the stock exchange, they have to pay 22.5%. However, you can pay salary, rent, and other expenses through mobile financial service. Second one is this for individual. If you are purely Bangladeshi, resident Bangladeshi, you should submit the statement of asset liability. If you have any asset or not, actually, if you have gross wealth actually 4 million, and you have a motor car or you have a city corporation hospitality, you should submit this statement. However, in the proposal, there was some ambiguity, or it is unclear. Now it is very clear that non-resident Bangladeshi and non-Bangladeshi, who are the white-skinned people, should not submit any statement of asset liability unless they have the asset in our country. It is my personal opinion that actually NBR wants to save the people of Begumpara. And the third one is that it is applicable for companies disallowances of Section 30. We all are aware that up to taka 15,000, if a company pay salary through cash, actually it is allowable. But now onwards, actually the amount would be 20,000. And for raw materials, there was no bar. Earlier it was no bar, but from now onwards, you can purchase up to taka 500,000 only through cash. If you want to purchase beyond 500,000 through cash, you have to pay. Actually, it will be disallowed and pay corporate tax rate tax. And the last one, and it is very special for the special people of our country, we call this black money whitening. Then this is the three type of investment. That is property, house property or land, and the share market investment, that is securities, and the new industry or industrial undertakings. That actually in 2019 actually it was firstly introduced for 1 years, and actually this what is this actually, you nobody can ask you for any source for your source of income if you pay just 10% tax before submission of your return if you invest new industrial undertaking or physical infrastructure. Again, after 11 years, government came up with the same issues, but they now ask to pay the tax before 30 June 2022. And the next one is share market investment. If you want to, if you have want to crystallize or whitening your black money through using the share market, yes, you can. And it was introduced in 2009 again, and you can. Yes, actually, it was a lock-in period for 2 years. After 2 years, you can divest your investment. It was no declaration facility or it was no penalty amount, but in 2020 actually government came up with that and asked that you have to pay the tax before actually within 30 days of investment, and they increased the lock-in period 3 years, and they said that you have to submit a declaration, and they increased the scope, that is bond and mutual fund actually included. Again in 2021, government aggressively come up with the tax rate. It is increased 15% so that up to from 10% it is now 25% tax. Additionally, you have to pay penalty 5% because you are whitening your black money. And they reduce the lock-in period. Actually, it is relaxation. After 1 year, you can divest your investment. However, if you want to sell your stock or share or bond or mutual fund before 1 year, you have to count 10% tax again. And the last one is property. If you want to invest your black money in the construction or purchase of house property, you can actually you can take the facility with actually paying some sort of tax. What is actually it is introduced it was introduced in 1999, house property, and the land in 2021. The both of these actually omitted in 2007. Again 2009 it was introduced to invest the house property, and you can pay only 1500 per square meter if you have 100 or more than 100 square meter house property in the posh area of Dhaka, Chittagong and others. And again it was omitted in 2010. Again government come up, and it is actually currently also applicable. If you have any investment, if you want to purchase or construct any house property or apartment within any area of the country, posh area of Dhaka, Chittagong City Corporation or Poroshobha district, you can pay up to taka 5,000 per square meter, and your black money will be white. And another is that undisclosed. If you already invest in land, if you already invest in apartment, purchase the apartment building, or you have the undisclosed cash or savings instrument, actually in 2020 actually 10% tax, but in 2021 government came up with the 25% tax, and additionally 5% tax for all of this, that is land, building and cash. Actually if you want to disclose now, you have to pay 5% tax. That's all friends. Actually I think it will help you and save you time. Thank you.